Hi kids, today we're reading Construction Site on Christmas Night by Sherri Duskey Rinker and Ag Ford. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year. The team is slamming into gear. So much is riding on the crew, they have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. Look how busy they are, working hard. Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day, roar. He pushes hard to clear the way, moving all the dirt. For hours he powers this way and that, and he clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift, all tied up in a bow. It says thank you. With cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade, custom paint job, custom made. To replace that for him, Merry Christmas, Bulldozer, good night. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere, scooping, chugging at full blast, vroom. He digs up the foundation fast. Like he's happy to be working so hard. Then clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows, a snowflake falls right on his nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time. As Excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone's left a big surprise. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's signed simply, "From our crew." Look, a shiny yellow scoop, because his old one had a broken tooth. So that's a new one for you. Merry Christmas, Excavator, and good night. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. He lays the foundation, walls and floor. And then he churns another load that will be used to make a road. He's pouring it out. He twirls, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. He rolls away to take a bath, but something's sitting in his path. A giant box, his name's on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. Screech. No card, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left a brand new drum? Oh look, he's so excited and happy. Because this drum was old, beat up and plain. But this one's red and white stripes, like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer, and good night. An icy wind blows in his face, but dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. He's quite tired after all that work. He turns to go, but stops in awe. The biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires. Vroom, vroom. It's a fresh new set of tires. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. He tucks the old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck, and good night. with whipping winds and loads that sway, whoosh! Crane Truck's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong. Look, he's concentrating and doing his very best. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane Truck's work is done at last. The job's all finished, one last stop. Crane Truck puts a star on top. Look at that. But Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone's left a special gift. A rock'em sock'em wrecking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Look at that, all wrapped up with a bow for Crane Truck. Merry Christmas, Crane Truck, and good night. Engines rev and bells ring out. Cling, cling. Sirens blare and air horns shout. Roar, honk. Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive. Driving proudly, looking fine, pumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny, rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew. Wow, look at the fire crew, all in red. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right, and with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignitions, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. This is the new place they built, the fire station for the fire trucks. And because it's Christmas, it's got a lovely star on top. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play, for all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh, all the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. What a great book. Reading is fun with construction site on Christmas night.